The project is about togetherness.
Everything that you see, everything that you touch, everything that you use is designed by someone.
I think it's part of myself and my culture. Latin America is a very party place, especially in Colombia. We have a lot of carnivals. We have a lot of different forms of fabric.
The possibility of bring something special to simple everyday life.
Creativity to me is a mere expression, is something that transcends us.
My work is not something is fixed, so I like that when the people see my work, each person have their own history.
Creativity for me, it's like my running path every day.
Sentir algo importante y fuerte frente a mi trabajo.
I like to create objects because objects are part of our everyday life.
Everyone can make them their own and tell their own stories through these pieces of design and art that we are creating.